fuck? He got a bomb? A fucking missile? What type of... Bro. The hell you hauling?
Come on now, dog.
What do they feel about the war?
It's funny, nigga. I seen this meme, nigga.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Now all the roads around, all the alternate routes are have sections blocked off. They say don't go on them.
Yeah, that's what we tried. A truck tried to pass us up and almost went off the cliff. Oh! Yeah, his trailer got stopped by a tree.
Wow.
God damn, I just got in an accident and I gotta keep going, so I'm gonna call y'all a fuck back.
Oh my God.
We know when it's gonna open back up. Pretty soon.
Baby bro and the crew.
You feel me?
What's up, baby bro and the crew? Yeah. We're back with another banger. We're finna get lit.
Crew members, what it is, man. So we survived the storm, man. It's the next day. And we tried to get right back on the interstate, man, to head back towards Oregon. You feel me? And y'all can see, man, it's clear as day. And they got the highway still closed, bro. Like, look at all these trucks like that, man. Look at that shit. Go back miles and miles.
I wanna go home.
Damn, what the fuck? He got a bomb? A fucking missile? What type of... Bro. The hell you hauling?
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Anyway, man. And we ain't even in Oregon yet, man. We got to go all the way up into Washington. You feel me? And I'm trying to make it back down here, man, so I can get my truck and go to home. That's crazy. Like, why would they have us switch? You feel me? We just came from up here, and it wasn't nothing like this, y'all. We just came from, yeah, we just came through here like, what, a day and a half ago. Portland, Oregon. We was heading towards SoCal. And they made us switch loads to come right back up into, you feel me? To go up into Washington. But we ain't even make it out of California last night. As y'all can see, the other trucker, he almost went off the goddamn cliff.
It was God.
But that was last night, though. It's a whole new day. As y'all can see, the skies is clear. It ain't even really, the snow plows done did their job, so I don't understand why is it closed. And I don't know why this dude going so slow. You was not gonna get no park up here, bro. You might as well keep driving. What is you doing? Hey, buddy. Why they still got the road closed down for?
Yeah, nice now slow.
Huh?
Slow.
No, I'm saying, why do they still got it closed down for? Another Russian speaking mother. There's a whole lot of Russian drivers out here. It's crazy.
Probably out of Sacramento. There's a lot of Russians.
Oh yeah, my cousin was there after they said that. Mm-hmm. That's when my cousin stayed in Antelope. How do you think they feel about the war?
It's funny, nigga. I seen this meme, nigga. when Russia and Ukraine or whatever was going at it, somebody said, nigga, Antelope is up right now, nigga.
Hey, excuse me. You know why they still got the 5 closed down? Man, it's a new day.
It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life.
What's that? What's that? It's a new day. Why they still got the 5 closed down? It's not snowing or nothing.
Yeah, I know. Like, I expect it to be open pretty soon.
Okay. You think they just plowing away the snow or something?
Oh yeah, there's huge amounts of snow.
Yeah, we got caught, and when we tried to do the little side street, like a few miles back, to go around, and we start sliding. We had to just park.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Now all the roads around, all the alternate routes are have sections blocked off. They say don't go on them.
Yeah, that's what we tried. A truck tried to pass us up and almost went off the cliff. Yeah, his trailer got stopped by a tree.
Wow.
God damn, I just got in an accident and I gotta keep going, so I'm gonna call y'all the fuck back.
Oh my God. Where are you guys coming from?
California.
LA?
Oh, yeah, LA.
Well, SoCal, we just came from up here.
Oh, okay.
Literally, we just came up here yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah, that storm from yesterday was pretty bad.
Hopefully we get going here in a few minutes. That'd be awesome.
Yeah, because I was wondering, like, it's, well, yeah, well, if you said it was a blizzard like that, then they probably pounding away a lot of that snow out the way. Okay, all right, bud, have a good one. All right. That's my nigga Zeke in there. Quit playing with my boy. You feel me? I fuck with the Zeeks. Yeah. Down in the streets, they call it murder. God damn, bro. Hell no, you gotta get off. You can get off on the exit. I mean, but you're gonna still be on the highway, bro. That's not really a park, too.
Shit, none of this niggas is shut up.
We going to the front of the bus, brother. Ain't no more of that. Ooh, that motherfucker clean over there. I like that.
Long nose, nigga. Goddamn.
Them got more twerk, huh?
Up to the fucking floor of Peterbilt, nigga. Straight bull hauler, nigga. That's what you need. Fuck this shit.
Oh, that's what them called bull haulers?
Nah, them just the bull haulers. They normally have those type of trucks, nigga.
Right.
Go through anything. Them niggas don't give a fuck.
The motherfuckers move too.
I saw them pass us last night.
Yep. Well, until we can ask them when this motherfucker gonna open back up.
Shit, we can park right here, nigga. We have the fun of the shit.
You was the beast. Go ahead. They gonna get on the ride. They gonna be like, what the they doing?
Right here.
Look, stupid. They go back. Hell nah. Roll the window down this next and what's up? What's up? Yeah. That was Zeke. Axel. You like hell nah. We ain't important enough? Fuck them.
Oh, just go.
That nigga. I was scared to Axel, man.
I don't know what they gonna say. Holy black, like this. Just go.
I'm a Zeke. Half Zeke and Russian. It ain't nothing up here though. We gonna see. Pull up on their ass. Ask them. They probably a little more. Tell you a vet. Where your patch at? Fuck wrong with you, nigga? Where your patch at, man? You got some privilege, brother. You know. You know they own this shit when they got them kind of coats on right there. I'm scared to ask their ass too. God damn. We know when it's gonna open back up? Pretty soon. Hell yeah, fuck that. Park over here somewhere. I need to hurry up, man. Oh, they tripping.
3 hours later.
I ain't never came up here and just ventured. Man, it's been a crazy day, crew members. Crazy, man. They got the bulldozers out here. This the worst I've been in the snow so far. Whew. Oh, shit. Bro, I do not got the proper gear for this type of weather. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, these go stupid.
He said green, easy shit.
Green. Look,